Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna explore 5 amazing and free AI essay writing tools that can help you streamline your writing process. These tools are perfect for students, bloggers, and anyone looking to enhance their writing skills effortlessly. So let's dive right in. Tool number 1 is Collegeassetorg. This is the URL, and I'll also leave all the URLs in the description. You need to click here and write your topic. Let's just go with music therapy. Okay, once you're done with it, click on start writing. Give it a few seconds so that it generates your essay. Alright, so there you go. Your entire essay is ready in just few seconds. How cool was that? On the left hand side, you can give it instructions to further enhance your essay. So let's just say our topic, music therapy. You can choose the academic level here. There's master, there's doctoral. Let's just go with college, undergraduate. Choose the essay type. Let's go with analytical. Then citation style, go with MLA. The number of pages, maybe 2 pages and 500 words. Number of sources, let's just go with 3 sources. And here you can even give specific instructions so that the AI will help you write the essay. Okay, after you're done with everything, click on generate essay. And there you go. Your entire essay is ready in just few seconds. It even has references where it has taken all the informations. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Tool number 2 is Tinywowcom. Here is the URL. And as usual, you need to put in the topic of your essay. Our topic is music therapy. Okay, so choose the number of paragraphs. Let's go with 2 paragraphs. Choose the education level. Let's just go with graduate school. And click on generate. As usual, give it a few seconds to generate the essay for you. And boom, there you go. Your entire essay is ready in just few seconds. And the best part about it is all the tools are completely free. And did you notice I didn't even have to sign in order to get me the essay. So that was very cool. Alright, tool number 3 is ClassSio. This is your AI teaching assistant. Let's click on AI tools, right, and we need the AI writer. Click on it and give it a title. Okay, our title is music therapy. Okay, and then just click on write the rest. It will automatically write all of it. So let's just see how the AI does it. Click on write the rest, and you just need to wait for a few seconds. And boom, there you go. Your entire essay is ready. Right, so it just took few seconds, and the best part about all these tools is that it's completely free. Okay, so select everything you want, copy it, and you can use it in your own writing. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Tool number 4 is bard.google.com. It's very similar to ChatGPT as well, but it's by Google. Let's put in our topic here. Write me an essay about music therapy. All right, hit enter. Give it a few seconds. There you go. See how quick was that? So we just talked about writing an essay, but here you can type anything you want. For example, write me a love song. Okay, let's see. Hit enter. Alright, there you go. See, it has even made your verses and choruses and everything, even bridge. So these are like different parts of the song. That's so cool. Okay, let's just try one more time. Write me a love song with guitar chords. Let's see if the AI can do this. Alright, see, there you go. It's already showing you even the chords. For example, it's G, there's D, E minor, and C. Right? You can use all these tools to write anything you want. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Tool number 5 is ChatGPT. This is probably the most famous AI tool in recent times. I'm sure everyone has heard about it. So it is very simple. Here we need to give it the instructions. Let's say, write me an essay, write me an 500 word essay about music therapy. Hit enter. See, it's already writing the essay for you. How cool is that? Right? So it even has different headings: history and evolution, benefits of music therapy, and see, everything is so organized, and it is done by an AI. How cool is that? And so there is applications, and in the end, there is conclusion. So these are the 5 free AI tools for writing. You can use any of these tools in your own writing assignments or blogs, in anything you want online. So if you have reached till the end of the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.